Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tanya. Today we're going to do a little bit of a catching up on the house. I have been sick for a couple of weeks and a few things have gotten let go, which is perfectly fine, but I want to take care of a couple of things that are on my list. So we are going to be working in the master bathroom, my master bedroom, and then a little bit in the living room as well. And I'll explain all of that later. But if you're new here, this is a lifestyle channel. I do cleaning videos, crafting, home decor and decorating, clothing hauls and things, basically anything that has to do with life, like home life, mom life, that kind of thing. So if you like that kind of content, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I have new videos every week and I would love to have you here. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to give you a little close-up of my shower right now because it's been probably over a month since I've cleaned it, since I've been sick, and it didn't matter that much. But this is how the soap scum gets when I don't clean it pretty regularly. Like, I hate this kind of shower where it sticks so bad. Like, it's so bad. But I wanted to share it with you because I figure this will be a really good way for you to see like how the cleaning solution works. It actually looks worse on camera than it does in person, so this is kind of funny. So you're getting a really good look at it. But basically I'm just gonna remove everything, and then I use like a vinegar and Dawn solution. I do like 2 parts vinegar to 1 part Dawn, and I just shake it up and put it in a spray bottle, and I'll spray this all over the shower. And then I just take a brush, like a cleaning brush like this, and I just scrub the shower down. It doesn't take me that much time, and you'll see in a little bit how clean it really gets. I'll be able to like feel across the whole shower and not feel anything but just smooth shower. So let's go ahead and clean this thing. So whenever I spray my shower down for cleaning, I do concentrate a lot of this mixture on like the heavier soap scum areas. So like where you can see the soap scum especially, and then in the curves. And then I don't even remember if I mentioned it before, but I also let it sit for at minimum 10 minutes. Sometimes I let it sit for hours just because I'm going about my day and doing other things. And as long as nobody's going to use the shower in between, it won't matter how long it sits really. And then this cleaning brush, you can get something like this at just a grocery store or whatever, but I like this kind of brush because the bristles are flat and the brush itself is pretty big, which means I can clean more surface area at a time. And then I also don't have to hold the handle. I can just grab the brush, and that just makes it easier overall to hold it. So if you can get something like this for your shower, that is what I recommend. So now that everything is scrubbed, I'm just going to take and rinse everything down. We have one of these detachable handle shower heads, which is awesome. But while I'm spraying, I'm also taking the brush and just getting anything that I might have missed. And that way I make sure that I am just getting the entire shower clean. After I'm done cleaning out the shower, I do like to go ahead and wipe down like the floor right beside the shower just to get any dust or debris. So now here it is all clean. As you can see, it's like completely soap scum free, so it's a big difference. And like I said, all I use is vinegar and Dawn, and works like better than any other shower cleaner I've ever used. Moving on to the sink and the mirror area, I'm just going to spray down the mirror, wipe it until it's clean. Thankfully, this is something that isn't too hard to keep up even when you're sick, so my counters and the mirror and stuff were not too bad. So I'm just giving everything a quick wipe down for dust and like toothpaste, water spots, that kind of stuff, and rinsing down the sinks and wiping down the faucet handles and nozzle and stuff, just to make sure everything is nice and tidy. Now that the bathroom is all tidied and we even have fresh towels, it's time to change the sheets. So I do this once a week, every week on Friday. Keeping it the same day every week just makes me stay consistent, and then I just do not forget to do it because I know every week on Friday it's time to change the sheets and the towels. So I do a lot of my cleaning that way, and it helps me kind of stay organized and actually get stuff done. So I'm just making the bed here, and if you see that cream blanket, it's actually a heating blanket. It's been kind of a cold winter, so we put that on a lot of times in the winter unless it's like a nice warm winter, but I really hate the way it looks on my bed, so that's why my comforter is covering that. Normally my comforter would be at the end of the bed and I would have a quilt, but just in case you're wondering, not that you were. But now we're going to go ahead and move on to laundry. I had some clean stuff that I had folded, so I'm going to go ahead and put it away. So now I'm going to go ahead and take care of some dusting in the room. I'm just using a little bit of Windex sprayed on a dry rag. So I'm not getting it really wet because I do have like wood furniture and stuff, and I don't think Windex is great for that, but it is a good like all-purpose cleaner. I talk about this all the time. So I'm just dusting my side table, all the stuff on it, the bed, and then I have this little glass table that sits over by the chair, and I'm going to dust off all of the shelves on that. And then since I can't reach the entire bed because it's a king size bed, I'm just going to do the other side of the bed when I get to the other part, and then take care of my mirror and my bookshelves. So the last thing I'm going to take care of today is the couch. As you can see, it's like terrible. That right there is a stain. I can't do anything about it, but all of this stuff, like I had sprayed the couch with like an antibacterial spray when we first got sick, hoping to keep it from everybody, but that did not work. So I like have all these extra spots, and then we, you know, stayed on the couch for a couple of weeks while we were all sick. So it needs to be washed so bad. Also, we have a new couch on the way. I'm so stinking excited. I'll share that later on in another video, but usually I wash the couch with like Windex, which seems weird, I know, but it works for microfiber. But today I'm actually going to use rubbing alcohol, and that way I can like sanitize it and clean it. And when we get our new couch, we're probably just like gonna see if anybody like wants this for free. If not, we'll just take it to the dump. But I mean, it's fine, I think, for if somebody's just like starting out or just needs a couch that will get them by for a while. So if we can give it to somebody, we're going to do that. And if not, we'll just take it to the dump. But I do want it to be like clean and sanitized before we would give it away. So I'm gonna do that now, and then I'm gonna be done for the day because I am getting tired. What I'm using, this is 91% isopropyl. I don't think that that's like the normal percentage, but don't quote me on that. But this is what I found at Walmart. But I think that the higher percentage of alcohol, the better it is at disinfecting, I think. So this should work great, but I just like literally took a spray bottle top and squirted it onto the bottle. So I'm just gonna like squirt it directly from this bottle. It's gonna stink terribly, but the good thing is alcohol dries really fast, so it shouldn't stink for very long. So the way I'm going to clean this is obviously I'm spraying the rubbing alcohol directly on the couch. I'm just going to get it like kind of lightly saturated where I'm just spraying every bit of the couch that I can. And then I'm taking a wet rag and I'm basically scrubbing the couch with the wet rag. And it like disperses the rubbing alcohol and kind of blends in whatever spots there are. And the rubbing alcohol itself, or if you're using Windex or whatever, will clean, but then the wet rag kind of evens out the coloring. So part of the problem with the microfiber is that basically every little drip or drop you get on there shows. It's the worst fabric in the history of fabrics on couch, and I hate it. So this is the whole reason, it's not the whole reason, but it's a good portion of the reason why we wanted a new couch in the first place. We've had this one for 14 years and it is impossible to clean. All of the cushions are attached, so I can't wash them, I can't remove the fabric, I can't fluff the pillows, I can't do anything about the stains, and after a while it just is a difficult couch to use. Even vacuuming in between the cushions, I have to literally put all of my weight on like one side of the cushion, push the other cushion over and try to get the vacuum in there. It is not a convenient couch. So the things I was looking for in a new couch, which we finally found one, I kid you not, it has been years of us searching for a couch that we could actually afford, the size that we wanted and the things that I wanted. I wanted removable cushions that I could actually fluff or flip over, removable fabric so I could actually wash it, fabric that wore well, and if you dripped, let's say there was condensation on your cup and you set it down or it dripped, it wouldn't show. I wanted something that was comfortable, and we wanted something that was large enough to fit basically for full-size adults comfortably, where we could all kind of lay around and cuddle. So we finally found it. I will be sharing it with you soon. I am so excited, but until then, this couch is going to another home, somebody who's newlywed and just needed a piece of furniture, and they were so grateful to get it, so I am so glad that we were able to give it. Okay guys, that is it for this clean with me. I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you a little bit of cleaning motivation. Be sure to like this video so I know that you like this kind of content, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.